I'm so excited to taste this. Hey! 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 First thing I'm thinking in my head, this bitch is ugly. Some of that vlog ass shit make me sick. It don't make me sick, it's gonna make me rich. I'm in Chicago. This ponytail is at my ankle. Come down to it, I ain't got no choice. It's me or you. It gotta be you. Dang, bitch, you going to jail. Cause how the fuck you can't help yourself? So, I been smoked some weed from somebody at the gas station. Good morning. So I've been landed. I've been living the Chicago life. I've been having the time of my life. I've been eating new food. I've been seeing new stuff. I've been smoking weed from somebody at the gas station. I've been going to the liquor store getting drunk. I just forgot the camera. Sorry, it's the next day. My eyes. I don't know how this is. And then when I come back, I'm gonna get in the shower. Get ready. So, yeah, let's go. Elevator, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Ooh, ooh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus, I'm so sorry. I was moving too fast. I thought it was empty. I thought it was empty.
Put it.
No.
The piece in, baby.
I have a question. Are you from here? Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Is it a problem when we have a red hair?
No, they don't want that color shit on. Where you from?
Jackson. We new here and she's terrified.
For real?
Yeah.
My people from Starville.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, y'all good.
Okay. Understood.
Like nobody does. This is how we do it.
We at McDonald's. Stuff is around. I don't eat McDonald's anywhere.
You did get my coffee, right? Okay.
Okay, come on, my car.
Okay. Go look at him. Like you ready to snatch something any day now.
My hush, don't think like that.
Come to me.
I see that, man.
I'm running his over like a speedboat. All right. You too. You let me run over by that towel, baby. Like, shit, I get no fucking notice.
She's so for real.
I'm dead serious.
She's so for real.
Run his ass.
Stop it, ma. That's not nice. Real talk, that's not nice.
Okay.
Stop. That's not even fun no more.
They done got robbed before. They had to.
Yeah, hush.
I'm just saying. Can I get some extra sauce
This is
and
so good.
grape and strawberry jelly? Can I get my sugar and cream in the bag? I need 3 creams, like 20 sugars. Hold on, ma.
It look good. It's fine, ma.
I'm gonna check everything. Cheese on it.
Yeah, I don't even want to look at this menu.
I had 2 burritos. I had 2 burritos. I had 2 burritos. Both of them together? I only got 1.
My hush.
No, yeah, I'm missing 1. And I need some extra pecan sauce and some more sugar, please. Give me some extra pecan sauce, baby, about 6 more sugars. You give me no sauce.
Mom.
Extra pecan sauce and 4 more sugars, please.
Mama.
What do you want? Can I get 2 more pecan sauce, baby?
Mama, if you don't pull off.
No, because I like extra sauce, man.
No.
Can I get 2 more pecan sauce, please? Yeah. 2 more pecan sauce. Yeah. Cheap ass. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. What's the fucking hard?
Oh my God. I hate doing
Cheap ass. Cheap with this old cheap ass shit, baby. Come on here. We spent $21. Hey, come on, the motherfucking sauce.
this. Oh my God. I hate that. I hate that. Go back to those
here. The man don't come down. What do you want? Bitch, what you mean? Some more motherfucking sauce, bitch. The fuck? Got my damn carrots, bitch. Nah, yeah, ma. Bitch, I'm on the move until I got some more sauce.
And I'm like, go. Why are we doing this about sauce, man? Pull off.
I got them.
I don't like that.
Bitch gave me 5 sugars for
Don't come down with me like that.
Okay.
I ain't with that.
I got more cream than anything about it. It's still gonna be nasty.
I'm trying to take us out the hood. I'm trying to put us in the
And the bitch still give me no more sugar.
They get violent. My people so violent, and I'm not violent at all. Not no more. I'm like, no.
That motherfucking sauce and shit. Sugar shit. Still, the bitch still be giving me no more. Like an ass. I wish I'd pay attention. I'll say, more sugar, please. Bitch.
That lady said, what do you want?
Yeah, what do you want? Like, bitch, fuck you mean? Some more sauce.
Shawty didn't say, what's going on?
Right, man, can I help you? Somebody, what do you want?
Girl, what you want?
How about the fuck I stood there, too?
I'm talking about with her face like.
Bitch. That's garbage ass.
Bro, I cannot. No, Chicago. We went to McDonald's, got some food, y'all seen that. And, oh, I'm like the wrong end. And stuff, so I'm good. And, oh, I think we're gonna go to the liquor store. I'm gonna get another bottle of teleport. I don't want to buy no more weed. I don't think I'm gonna buy no more weed. I got one more blunt, and that should last me till tonight. Because I'm not smoking 4 blunt, like I just smoked some, put it out. So, another blunt will hold me. So yeah, but we finna go to the hair store and get some stuff in my hair and come back and do our hair. And then I think we're going to the boat ride. After the boat ride, we're gonna go to the hole in the wall. It's like a little bar spot. I ain't really trying to do too much now because like, I'm trying to relax, low key. My mama don't want me to dress up. She know I'm gonna look like a bad bitch. No, really, it's just the time that it's gonna take. But I ain't got my makeup. I'm just gonna do a lip concealer and some lips. And some brows, that's it. My makeup bag, I left it in Texas 2 days before the trip. So, my makeup. I just thank God I'm here. In due time, I get everything I want. It's just crazy to know that and then see it unfold under my eyes. Cause like 2 months ago, I kept complaining. I ain't been on vacation. I ain't been on vacation. I ain't been on vacation. It's like God said, here, I'm gonna give you what you want, and it's the first place you want on your list. Boom. And I ain't even spending much money. It's only for 2 days, but I feel so good. This trip was well worth every fucking thing. I didn't even want to come here. Go get the gas.
Yeah?
Oh, T, go get the gas.
Go grab it, T.
Go get the gas. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, so I'm done with my little smoke session. The next time I smoke is gonna be before we get on the boat ride, and then after that I'm gonna smoke before I get on the airplane. And then that's it. I'm gonna smoke 2 more times. I like to schedule my smokes so I know, like my plan. So yeah, we finna go to the hair store so y'all come up with it. Public gas in Chicago, yeah. $20. to drive right. Nah. I don't know if she know what I know. Oh my eyes.
Driving. You know I drive. You know I drive, motherfucker.
No, that's not true. Because I don't know how to drive. They went upstairs. I'm on the back seat. I love the back seat. My mom been driving everywhere and I just been passengering her. Ooh. What is this? Lime salt? I just been on the passenger side cooler. That's too much fucking weed. I might have to take this back home with me. I cannot smoke all this in one day. This shit smells loud as fuck. One blunt might do me bad for the rest of the day. I ain't gonna lie. It don't take much for me. That's why I'm like, let me just get another dub. You trying to sell all the big shit. I don't want that. Okay, so we got some sample boy. This damn knee is hurting. Do y'all want to do the honors? This is my 3rd bottle in a day. Wow. That's kind of bad. These only $8 though, so. Did I pay for this? No, I didn't pay for this. I never paid for any one of them. I've had 3 bottles and I ain't paid for any one of them. Anyways. Fuck. Yeah, I had no strength. Right here. All of my strength. Fuck you. Damn. My hand's so weak. Can't do it. I can't fucking do it. Fuck you. I can't do it. Fuck you. I cannot do it. That makes me so mad, y'all. I have no strength in my hands. None. I'm gonna walk away. Hell no, I ain't about that. I can't even really like this here like I want to. My body hurt at any fucking, like, no. Hell no, I ain't finna tussle with no bitch. I press charges if I do anything. Bitch, you going to jail. Touch me. I promise you. But I was just thinking, like, if I was arguing with a bitch, because I seen this bitch I know, and she was looking at me crazy, like, with an ugly-ass mean mug on her face, y'all. Like, she see me, turn around, look, make sure it's me, and just stank-ass face. First thing I'm thinking in my head, this bitch is ugly. You already ugly. Don't look like that. Like, you look ugly as a motherfucker. In my head, I'm just like, girl, you ugly. Why is you trying to be extra ugly with this frown on your face? But then I'm just thinking, like, damn, if it's bitches that really don't like me, and one day, what if a motherfucker feel like they want to run up or something? And I'm thinking at me, like, damn, bitch. They say, though, I make 6 figures with my hands. I ain't finna fight no bitch. I ain't finna fight no bitch. Bitch, my hands hurt. I ain't finna fight no hoe. Your ass gonna get what? So I talk this shit like I ain't gonna fight, but really when it come down to it, I ain't got no choice. It's me or you. It gotta be you. So we gonna have to do whatever. Gotta get done. Whatever that means for you, okay? There go me and walking. Where he going? I'm weak as fuck, though. I can't even open this fucking bottle of wine. Yeah. Stay back. I started editing. I'm gonna pull up in the coffee cup. Can you open it for me too, please? I gotta put these back there because I can't see.
Right.
I put them in the trunk. In the trunk, yeah. I put everything in there.
Last time I had to come to the truck.
It's already opened. But we can't get it like off the thing.
Oh, it was on the coconut thing.
Oh, so maybe I wasn't weak. Maybe it was hard.
Try to twist it back on and it might go down.
You try.
Exactly.
My hand weak as shit.
You know, for real, I have no strength. How can I punch somebody? Oops, sorry. I just punched off.
It keep on.
You might open yourself.
I can't. I struggle, baby. I gave up. I don't even want to drink if I got to do all that. I'm telling you. I'm dead. This girl shut the car. I'm trying to get the bottle open, y'all. Okay, now she got to open that. Thank you, baby. Because it was that bottom part.
Yeah. Go back to the room.
That's all I can do that, yeah. I'm going to sip, sip, sip so light. Because if I don't, I'll be looking like a clown leaving the house. I cannot get drunk and try to get cute. It's either or. Which one do? Okay, I'm doing my hair. I don't think I did it good. This is my first time ever doing a ponytail on myself. And I don't have a lip, so yeah. I'm finna go get food because this nigga on the boat ride. She don't know how to do no ponytail. So. Girl, this pump, okay, I can't do as long as it's gonna go because that's too long. Okay. This ponytail is at my ankle. Okay, so this is what I am on. I'm fully dressed and ready. Ponytail, not the best, but it's cute, it's decent.
You want my mom?
Yeah. No, I can't smoke this cigarette. How many minutes is it away?
About 4. I'm just 6.
Now let me see.
Girl, we've had this boat ride, baby.
2? Let's go. We gotta catch the elevator. I'm in Chicago. It's beautiful here. Hey, how you doing? I'm going upstairs. I'm an upstairs ass bitch, of course. No, I'm gonna sit on the second row. Hey, girl. We're good. Let me sit in the middle. I'm facing fears because y'all know I'm terrified of water. Mama, if you don't sit beside me, what's wrong with you? Woo! Okay, so right now we're on a water taxi. And then it's gonna take us to our other boat, which is around the river thing. So we get 2 boats.
In 500 feet, take a left on North Michigan Avenue.
Okay, so we at this Hello Boba place where it's like a truck that's just sitting out here. I've never tried boba drinks, so let's go give it a try. And I've never tried cookie crumble, so that's why I'm walking to get it. And then chipotle, I gotta have chipotle. So yeah, let me, Hello Boba. Let's try this drink right quick. I'm gonna sit this thing down, hold on. 1 second, I'm gonna try it, and then we're gonna keep on walking because we gotta go, y'all. Our next boat ride is any moment now, and we gotta walk all the way back there. So let me sit this right here for 1 second, and let's try boba. Hold on. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh wait, first up, do I shake it up? What I do? Shake it up?
I don't know. I think you just drink it.
Okay.
Is it good?
Do we eat the boba?
Yeah.
Fuck no. No, the tea is good, but the boba is nasty. Maybe I got a nasty hand or something. Is it good? Maybe I'm tripping.
The boba is kind of nasty.
Let's give me espresso balls.
It tastes like chocolate.
Yeah, we gotta go. Boba, 2 out of 10. Me and my nasty boba walking down the streets of Chicago. I love for life, love me some motherfucking chipotle. Okay? I will. Anytime, any day, any fucking hour. Chipotle. My heart is so full. I'm so at peace. And I love life. To go.
I'm sorry, it wasn't a big dude.
Let me do white rice.
Feel bad.
Black.
Okay.
Can I have double
it seems
chicken?
like the-
No, can I have some queso? That's fine. That beauty right there. Can I have some salsa? The red salsa. You are so handsome. Some corn. Yes, cheese and lettuce. Can I have a little bit of guac? Just a little bit. I'm trying it out.
Very good, very good.
Oh, well. That's fine. Just a little. That's too much. Just a little. I'm sorry. Right there. Right there. Okay. These are the cookies from Crumbl Cookies. We're gonna review them. Everybody be saying they ain't worth the hype, but I'm here to find it out. They smell real chocolatey.
It's alright.
Cookie Crumbl, overall, a 5 out of 10. Because the cookies ain't that good,
It's okay.
but they cookies. So, eat the cookies. But the hype, it was not there. No. 5 out of 10. I'm finna Uber eat my Chipotle and fuck it up. Do you hear me? If you haven't experienced Chicago, you definitely should come. I had the time of my life here. It is so beautiful and sightseeing. And so fucking, everything is just perfect. Them cookies, not. This Chipotle, finna be. No, this is beautiful. Hey, how you doing? Good, how are you? Hey. 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 He's talking about hey. I'm back. So back at the hotel. We got like 6 hours until we leave. I'm gonna eat my Chipotle. I got guacamole because the man said it was good, even though I know guacamole is nasty because I tried it. I'm gonna try it again. Because why not? And maybe it's better. I went on a fork though. My mom and I went to the liquor store to get some liquor and stuff. So when she come back, hopefully they get a fork from downstairs because I need to eat my food. Thank you, Jesus, for it. You know, I'm so excited to taste this. Oh. It's so good. If you know, you know. What? I want a man. I do. I feel lonely sometimes. But I ain't just gonna say no any kind of niggas, so you know. I feel like the only thing with me though, if I'm not dealing with no nigga, ain't no nigga seeing my body. And my body got needs, and my body got wants, and my body wanna be touched. You know? But I'm like, I don't fuck with nobody. Oh, maybe I'm drunk. That's why I'm talking about this. I don't know. The weed, I was rolling up, right? I had smoked, but the whole fucking blunt came apart. So, yeah. My mama is gonna come back so she can roll up for me. I'm gonna drink this Taylor Port, eat this Chipotle, crash out till in the morning. That's my vibe. I'm sticking to it. My mom want to go out tonight, but that ain't really my thing. So, I mean, I would go because I'm in Chicago. But, yeah, no. Do I like the red hair? Today was really amazing. I had such a good day. I thank God for everything. There's my mommy.
Same shit. Move, let me sit down.
Let you sit down where?
Right there.
What I'm supposed to do? Move?
Yeah, over here.
No.
Yes.
Okay, these my
Mom, no, that's not fair.
Yes, Mom, come on now.
What am I supposed to do?
Taste the guy.
I was sit right down the bed.
And you can't do that?
No, because
Why you? Okay, well,
Girl, go on now. My really man choice.
I don't care.
Taste the guy roll fries, though.
Y'all, what I'm trying to teach my mama is boundaries.
Taste me.
Yes,
Taste
I'm your
me.
child.
I got the meat.
Yes, I respect you,
Taste
but
me.
you don't control me, lady. I be having to let her know sometimes.
Hey, I'm going to bust the fuck up.
Who busting who up? Because we don't put our hands on people. We don't do that because we go to jail.
I'm mad. I already got one.
Yeah, you go to jail. Put your hands on me.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
I look really pretty. I ain't even got no makeup on, y'all. Well, just a little concealer. I want y'all to eat me up in the comments like, yes, you do, bitch. Can you roll up for me if I let you sit right here?
Yeah. Oh, you just asked me that. Come on now, get up.
Okay, I ain't moved.
Well, they be giving
I bet you my
extra
food better than
fries.
yours,
I'm
baby.
saying you don't need all this shit.
I feel like if I
Because it's
mix
yours.
the guacamole in, it won't be in there.
Oh, cheese. You sure?
Yeah,
This is
better be done on mine.
Oh my God, it's so fucking good.
You probably got the same thing.
I've been run the fuck out, okay?
Okay. Don't get the cussing though.
I'm gonna show you that now.
Y'all, mama cussing me. I be like, why are you cussing? But why are you cussing though? Cause you ain't gotta cuss. She don't like for me to cuss around her, but I'm grown, girl. I can say what the fuck I want to.
That's how my name. Make you let ass on that for me.
I'm big. Don't you see this booty I got?
That's one.
This food so good I can't even eat it, man.
Let me just take a picture of it.
No,
Look what we got. We got Tito's in my here.
I ain't messing with y'all. Oh, these lime chips nasty. I don't miss this.
I be drinking. I
Come
be
on over there.
drinking.
Have my phone there.
Okay, so it's nighttime now. I am drunk, a little high maybe. So I'm closing out the vlog because in the morning we're gonna be out headed back to the airport. Ain't no more for you to see. I wasn't vlogging a lot. What y'all seen is what y'all got. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my vlog. I'm grateful that I was able to travel to Chicago with my mama. Her first time flying was with me. That's a memory she'll never forget. But no, I'm just thankful and grateful, and God is good, and I just love life. So thank y'all so much for watching. If you haven't been to Chicago and you thinking about it, I think you should. That's your sign. Go and book that flight, sir, and see these big pretty buildings and, you know, just experience. I will be back for sure. I might have so much more to do, but I gotta go to work. Business has to get done. So quick little 2-day trip and we back out. So thank y'all for watching. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, Martisha Shanae, to see all the photo dumps, because I really wasn't vlogging a lot, but I got a lot of footage for TikTok and Instagram. So make sure you're watching, and yeah, bye.